Korea off to a weak start as well, down 1.3%. And Sydney is 34 down 0.7% off, 50.17 on the S&P ASX 200. We've got the action covered for you. Let's check in with Yoon live up in Seoul. First, good morning.
Good morning, Martin. A very weak start for the Korean markets this morning. Kospi is down 1.3% and the Kosdaq is down more than 2% this morning. On the Kospi, pretty much every blue chip is down, and Lotte Group shares, Lotte Shopping is down 6% after, again, the biggest fear that they had materialized with them losing one of its duty-free store license bids in the city center of Seoul. On the other side, though, the two big names that are really rallying this morning, up more than 10%, actually up 13% now. Tusan and Shinsegae, these two names are up more than 10%, and this is coming from them winning duty-free license store bids in the city center of Seoul. For Shinsegae, analysts are saying that this license is going to be a 800 billion won jump in their corporate valuation. Analysts are expecting its stock to jump by a third, almost 33% on the back of this news. We are seeing it up almost 13% this morning. E-Mart, which is also a retailer part of Shinsegae, is also trading higher today in an otherwise very down market. So again, we are seeing the duty-free store license bidding really pushing these names in opposite directions depending on what happened over the weekend. Also, as we did get some data from the U.S. that the Samsung Electronics TV sales are showing a very strong growth trend. Samsung TV sales passed the $1 billion monthly sales mark for the first time ever in the U.S. markets as in the month of October. Samsung is now the #1 player in the U.S. flat TV market, and it is about 35% of the market share of the TV market in the U.S. But it is down 1% with the broader index down 1.25% about 5 minutes into trade. Martin, back to you.
Yoon, thank you very much. Live up in Seoul, SBS CNBC.